We are tightening up the wire terminal connections inside the control panel box. Tighten up the switches as well. So it is missing one of the latches right here for the control panel box. Turnbuckle, we've already done spray lubricant on the hinges and on the latch mechanism. So there is an exceptional amount of play within this turnbuckle ratchet. So do recommend that they keep that tight. There's no voltage disconnect, but we have labeled it right here with the staff electrician. So we are all done. We've lubricated the chains, greased the turnbuckle ratchet, inspected, tightened wire terminal connections. Fluid level looks good. Machine's back in service. Thank you.